Hi everyone, my name is Diego, and in this video we're going to merge the unit test with some quality controls. So in the previous video we configured Jenkins with PHP unit. So now we're going to add more steps in order to add some quality controls. Well, here is only another way to add quality controls, because I have another videos in which I explain how to configure Jenkins with SonarQube. In my case, I prefer SonarQube because it supports more languages than this. This example is only for PHP, but it's only another exercise in which you can get familiar with the steps in the pipeline. So in order to keep short this video, here are all the steps you need to run in your own repository. Here in this public repository, I'm going to put this repository in the description. So these are the steps you need to run before configuring Jenkins, and also here is the pipeline example with all of these steps. So we have here our pipeline. So is exactly the same that in the previous video, and the only thing that is different that we paste the pipeline here, and you can run. I explained that in previous video, so I'm not going to explain it again. And you can build this pipeline. There is an example of failing at successful execution, and you press here in build now, here appear the execution and with all the steps. So we have a lot of steps, but as I said before, in my case I prefer SonarQube because you can it has all of these steps in one single tool. So for me it's better, and also support more languages. So now we have our pipeline with all the steps succeed. Here you can enter and get more details. For example, composer installation, syntax error, no error, PSR12 standard, some summary of our code, and for example, copy and paste detector, mesh detector, and well, you can continue adding more steps, all the steps you want. So here is really simple. Each step has a command, and this command is exactly the same command that you execute in your own computer. So there is no magic here. It's only the same normal bash execution. Sorry, as you can see, it's really simple. So you can add more steps as you want. And I'm going to well, I don't have the SonarQube integration video in Spanish, but I will be translating. Also, I'm going to put here in some place the link to the video, but I'm going to translate that video to English. So well, we are almost done with this integration. The only step the only step missing now is the automatic test. So thank you for your time, and I hope we can continue with this process together. Bye bye.